Hey you guys, it's LuCinda Carol. So I am excited to share with you my first Easter project that I have completed. I think it turned out really great. So everything that I've used for this project came from Dollar Tree except for the jute string. I purchased this at Walmart. I'm beginning to be a fan of the jute string because I've done a couple projects with this jute string and it's turning out really good, so I'm beginning to be a big fan of the jute string. So that's the reason why I purchased a big roll like I did, but you don't need all of this to complete this project. I have moss, which I will use also from the Dollar Tree, and the Easter eggs I purchased last year from the Dollar Tree. And these are the flowers that I purchased from Dollar Tree that I'm going to be using for this project. And each one, the onion grass I purchased 4 of, and the hydrangeas I purchased 2, and for these I purchased 2. So I'm super excited the way this project turned out. So I would like to share with you guys my finished Easter project. And here you go. I think that this project turned out really cute. As you can see, this is what I did with the jute string. I wrapped my can because, you know, of course the can had wording on it. So I just wanted to go around my can just to hide that. So I'm really excited how this turned out. I also used from the Dollar Tree a styrofoam that I have in the bottom of this can so that I could stick my flowers in to help them stand up a little bit better. And as you can tell, I have Easter eggs laying on the inside. So overall, I really do think this project turned out really cute. This is going to be something that's going to be in my dining room, on my dining room table. So once I complete this project, I have another project that's going to be along with this. So once I get the completed project together, I'll come back and I'll do another video showing you what it looks like all together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. And every time I upload a video, by you subscribing, you'll get a notification showing that I've done so. So I hope you guys have a great evening, and thank you for supporting my channel. Have a good night.